As if this week wasn't crazy enough with Steelers, the Watts event, and Rad Girls, I got a call from the Wasco shelter needing help with 10 puppies. They're several hours... Jessica and Barbara from the rescue group, I saw that the father had ticks. The mother had possible some type of mange. Then I saw the puppies, which I also knew had a couple health issues. But I was happy that we got the dogs. You gonna be okay, Mama? Puppies look pretty well, but that's on the outside. So now we just have to get them out of here, take them to Linda's, and go from there. Supreme, make a big cat, rockin' with Little John, Eastside Boys, China White.